Hey guys, Paul here. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be testing this 2000 watt 8-volt portable power station with 200 watt portable solar panels that can charge this portable power station, and then I will try to charge my KBO electric folding bike too. So in today's video I'll show you the specs of this 8-volt, and then we'll test everything together in the video. Now let's go. But before we go and test it out, let me show you a quick specs on this 2000 watt 8-volt portable power station. So in the box came with the power station itself and then charging cable, so that's where you can charge at home, and instruction manual, so that came in the box. They also have this pretty cool optional carrying bag. This power station, it's not light, it's quite heavy because it has a lot of batteries in it, so carrying bag would help a lot carrying it. So this is, I think it's weatherproof carrying bag too, so you can put the power station here and then the charging cable right here, and you can carry both ways, the handle on the side, both side, and also this big handle on the top here, which is really cool bag. Alright, let's go through the specs real quick. So this power station itself have the capacity of 2000 watt or 1997 watt hours, or about roughly about 2 kilowatt hours on this power station. To make it easier to translate, you can basically, if people, I don't think you'll be able to charge the car with this power station, you should be able to drive about 7-8 miles from this power station in Tesla Model Y, like my Model Y right here. And let's go through all the plug and functions here. So it has the LED lights at night for the nighttime. You can use as a flashlight or emergency light, and this one right here. So each section you will have on and off a button. As you can see, you can turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off. So this all of the USB-C and USB slots right here. Each one has this different power output on each slots, and this is turn on and off power button right here, and this is the main display. So display input, which is getting input power from either the charging cable or portable solar panels, and the output rate, it's the output that you're taking the power out from the power station, and this is the remaining time, how long it would last for each devices that taking the power from this station. And this side here, you will get the DC output, you get the secret lighter or 12 volt output right here, and there's another one right here too, and this is the another DC ports. Also on this side is the AC output, so a regular 110 plugs that you can use. So there are 6 of them total. Again, this AC output also has the switch right here. You can turn on off the switch, and this is the radiator side of it, so it can vent the heat out from the unit. On this side is the power input part of the power station. So this one is for plugging in from the house with the provided cable, and this one is basically for the solar panel. So the max solar panel we can do 500 watts. So let's say that 200 watt solar panels, we can do 2 of them all together and get the power input in here at once, which is really cool. And also the switch for the overload protection, so it doesn't blow up, accidentally blow up. Yeah, looks really cool. Alright, let's go and test it out. As you can see, I'm charging the portable power station from solar panel. This is 200 watt solar panel, also from Acepower, directly from the sun right now. It's about a good angle to get the power from the sun, and at the same time I'm charging my KBO Flip bike from the power station. Let's see the power input and output rate right now. Alright, look at the input rate and output rate. It's now is, what time is it? It's just 9 o'clock, so the sun is not super strong and bright outside, but I'll show you later when it's fully hot and fully sun out in the afternoon how much rate would we get from that solar panels. Right now we're getting 88 watts, 89, 90 watts input and 86 watt output. So we're getting about 90 watt from the solar panels and 86 to the KBO bike. So right now basically we are getting a free charge, so direct charge from the solar panel to the bike, and the power station itself getting a little bit from the leftover that we're getting. See 100 up to 100 right now because the sun coming out stronger. But yeah, it looks really good. So I can basically just take this whole set and then go out camping outdoor. I don't have to worry about charging that bike. I can just use this power station with the solar panel and get direct sun power to the bike, and we can just keep using the bike. Okay, so the power rate from the solar panel just went up. As you can see, with this rate I can easily charge the bike, the KBO Flip bike, and my phone at the same time. As you can see, it's charging. So my phone is on the USB port right here, and the KBO Flip bike, it's on the AC output right here. It's really cool. I would definitely take this power station and that portable solar panel everywhere with me when we go camping or outdoor or even at home. You know, you want to charge that station itself. I would just use the portable solar panel to charge the station instead of getting the power from the grid in my house. This is really cool power station and portable solar panel package. Now my KBO Flip e-bike is fully charged. Now I can charge this KBO Flip anywhere I go with Acepower portable power station. And enjoy a fun ride on this awesome bike. This bike is so much fun. You can get up to 50 miles per charge. With that charging station, I can take it anywhere and still have fun with this bike. By the way, I did a full review on this KBO Flip. Also, I put the link of the KBO Flip reviews in the description down below too. Now I'll just go and have fun, enjoy this awesome KBO Flip bike. So much fun to ride. You can go so far with a single charge on this bike. And after I fold it down, so compact, I could even fit it in the back of my Tesla Model Y. Let's go! As you can see here, I'm charging the AC volt with the 200 watt solar panel. This is portable solar panel. It's really easy to use. Just unfold it, and there's like a leg that you can just pull it out, and it stands. Right now, look at the sun, almost not the hottest part of the day yet. It's about almost noon, 15 minutes to noon. Let's check out how much is it getting right now. 150, about 150 watt directly from that portable solar panels right now, and the battery is at 42%. So now it's about 15 minutes to noon. I will leave this to charge for a few hours and we'll come back and see how much the battery I will get from this awesome huge 2000 watt portable power station. We'll see you in a few hours. Alright, it's been about 4 hours. As you can see here, 4:45 right now, and it got charged up to 64%, so it's like 20%. And well, I haven't been moving the portable solar panels a lot to get maximum fully sun ray on the solar power, so not always, so the solar panels not always getting this much watts all the time. It's been pretty awesome, and it's huge. It's a big battery, big brick, this one, and I just left it outside and it didn't have any issue overheating at all, and it's working really well. As you can see in the video, this portable power station from Acepower is really useful. I can use so many things with it. I can charge so many things with this power station, as I'm doing right now, charging my phone, my bike, and getting direct power from the sun via this portable solar panels from Acepower 2. Alright, I'll make sure to put the link in the description down below for the power station, the portable solar panels, and also the KBO Flip bike. Thank you so much guys for watching today's video, and don't forget to click like if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome contents like this. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.